Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix if look back at 2021 on the Snapchat is not working. So how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So if it's not showing on your Snapchat, first of all you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Snapchat from here. You have to update your Snapchat with this button, as you will see update option here. Moreover, if it's still not working, go to the settings of your phone and now from here you have to click on the apps and the notification. From here you have to search for the Snapchat. Here you will see storage and the cache. Now you have to clear your storage from here and log into your Snapchat again. Hope so this will work for you. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.